Night Cal, or John Luke, whatever you prefer to call me. And today the audio might be a little bit bad as of right now. That's because I don't have any kind of microphone plugged into my computer. And I'm about to do an unboxing. If you guys can see, there's a box right here in front of me. And from the title, you guys may already know what it is. I got a brand new chair. The chair I'm sitting in right now, this one right here, it's pretty basic and pretty old. And I've had it ever since I can remember, probably about, let's see, I'm 19. I probably had it for about 9 to 8 years. And it's from my dad's restaurant. And he kind of gave it to me as a hand-me-down. And I have needed a new chair for quite some time now. So I ordered this one from Amazon for a great deal. I got it for like $90. It's a high-back leather chair. So yeah, probably going to fast forward this. And I'm going to unbox this and put this together. And I'll show it to you guys in the end. So, peace out.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
thanks for watching. I have a brand new chair now, in with the out, and out with the old and in with the new, guys. This is actually incredibly comfortable, and I feel a whole lot better now that I actually put it together myself. There's a little bit of warping in the armrest. That's just because the packaging and the shipping probably warped it a little bit, but that's no big deal. It'll come back to place very soon, but it's actually incredibly comfortable. I could probably take a quick nap in this chair. It was really easy to put together. I was actually pretty nervous about putting it together because I've never put a chair together before, and it was actually really simple. All it was just screwing a couple things in place, making sure the front was lined up with the front, and that's about it, guys. You just popped in the wheels to the chair, no screwing needed for that, and then you just put in your hydraulic system and you were good to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will no longer be needing this piece of crap. So, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe if you feel like it. My name is Kryptonite, or John Luke, and I'll be back again. See you soon.